Welcome to Uva Learn, a perfect place which has an interactive online learning world, where we use methods which are easy to learn, and you learn basic fundamental with fun. Let us get started.
Identify obtuse angles from given figures. Look at the drawings below. Find the total number of angles that are greater than a right angle. Let's look at the question carefully and try to understand it. Find the total number of angles that are greater than a right angle. Do you recall what a right angle is? This is a right angle. A right angle is made by a quarter turn. When two lines meet to each other at perpendicular way, they formed right angles. Can you see that? An L shape formed by the two straight lines. Perfect. We are asked to identify all the angles in the drawings that are greater than a right angle. Alright, hope you understood the question now. Let's move on to solve this problem. Do you not think we need something to check right angles? So, let's create a right angle using a piece of paper. How do you think to make a right angle from this piece of paper? Correct. Let's fold it in half once. Let's fold it once more into another half. Now can you spot the right angle with what we have created? Yes. Now onwards we will going to take help of this right angle to find all the right angles in the drawings. Let's hold the right angle we created against drawing A. How many angles are greater than a right angle? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 angles bigger than a right angle in drawing A. What do you think of other angles? The other angles are exactly the size of a right angle. Now, can we do the same for the other drawings? Next, let's hold the right angle we created against drawing B. Let's check them one by one on drawing B. That's right, it's 0. Yes, there are all 4 angles in drawing B are right angles. None of them are greater. Let's do same for drawing C. How many angles are greater than a right angle in drawing C? Do you think is that any? There are no angles greater than a right angle in drawing C. All the angles are smaller than a right angle. Apply same for drawing D. There is one angle greater than a right angle, and the other angles are smaller than a right angle. Finally, let's check for drawing E. Let's check with our right angle. None of the angles are greater than a right angle. They are either equal to a right angle or smaller. So, how many total numbers of angles in the drawings we found that are greater than a right angle? They are 4 plus 1 equals 5. Thus, there are 5 angles in the drawings that are greater than a right angle.
You can master this skill by practicing more with Uva Practice. Thank you.